6:45 in the morning, and today is 8 prayers, one of the most important prayers for Muslims. Muslims all around the world do pilgrimage today, which is Hajj, and 8 prayer, of course. I tried to sleep earlier yesterday in order not to miss this prayer and to wake up earlier. So gonna be praying in our campus, which is 5 minutes from here. I'm gonna take a bus, and in fact this is my first video blog in Australia. Happy that it's gonna be today, and it's my birthday too. Yeah, so just keep watching, guys. It's really cold outside, and it's winter time here in Australia. Yeah, I'm freezing. So I still have about 30 or 20 minutes before prayers, and it's really cold outside, so I'm trying to survive, and I'm gonna wait inside the campus, inside my department, which is music, media, culture and communication. Yep. So 8 prayers are done. I'm back home. This was my 3rd prayer, 8 prayer outside Kazakhstan. First was in Malaysia. Not only one in Malaysia, like maybe 3, at least 4. And the other one was in the States. We prayed near the bridge. It was Brooklyn Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. It's near the ocean. And here we prayed near the lake, which gives almost the same sense. There were like not much people though. So I wish happy Eid to all of you. Everything best in your lives. Just have fun, celebrate. It's time to celebrate, you know. So, and basically this is my first video blog, as I said before, and it's my birthday, which is gonna be remarkable. I'm gonna remember this because it's Eid also. So this is my 2nd birthday, which I'm gonna remember. First one was when it was a couple of years ago, when fasting month Ramadan started. I'm not that kind of person who really celebrates birthdays with lots of people, but I don't mind to do that, because birthday is just another reason to have fun, to socialize with people. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more about Australia, more about my life, interesting videos, just subscribe, click the subscribe button. If you have any comments, ideas or anything, just comment right down there. Hope to see you again, guys. Take care. And I'm gonna enjoy my meal.